All right, we got another episode of Man Tips here for you. You know, you got this ramp, helps the little small dogs get on the couch. Well, it's supposed to be good for 200 pounds. Well, I put a fat ass in it and it didn't work, so you can see that he kind of messed up the screws there. This board's kind of flimsy. It's kind of stuck on. Hold on, let me see, show you. Right there with a screw. And on that side with a screw. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a 2x4 right in here where you can't see it, butt up against here. I'm going to drill into the side here and the side here, and I'll reattach this to it with some longer screws. So let me show you how we do it. All right, so at first we're going to get a measurement across here. It's going to be upside down, but it's 14 1/4 tight. So then we're going to come over to our block here. We're going to put a mark, and let's just get this to where we can actually see it correctly at 14 1/4. Make sure you can see it. There you go. And we got a square right here. You can put it on the straight edge. Sorry. Straight edge right there. All right, so we got the board cut. We're going to leave it right there. We got to get these screws out. All right, so now that the screws are out, I can move this out of the way. All right, I want to butt that up against, and I'm going to put 2 screws, one in this side and one in that side. I'm going to set this up so you can see me do one side of it. All right, so we got the ramp kind of set up. I got 2 screws. Make sure you can see it. Sorry, the glare. 2 screws here. 2 screws on the other side. Now I just got to screw those in. And what I did is I wanted to line this up first to make sure it still goes in. And then I'm going to go ahead and mark the holes. Or I'll mark, make sure I can see, mark on the side of this where those go, and I'll line those up. I moved a little bit, but all right. So mark that up, line those up, pull this out of the way, and I'll drill 3 screws in there.
Yes.
Okay, so what we want to do is I got my marks here. I want to get on my marks the best I can, line it up, and let's get a hole started here. Okay, got one there. I'll get one started on the other side. Now get the rest of them in. All right, so now the ramp is fixed, and your fat dog can now use it again. There we go.